Hello everyone and welcome to E-Prime. I'm Amoy Harriet, filling in for Deidre Gordon. Jamaica celebrates Bob Marley's birthday in numbers. Emancipation Park last evening was illuminated in red, green and yellow as patrons, celebrities and members of the media were out to honor Bob Marley's life. The public event held at Emancipation Park saw top reggae and dancehall performers like Sugar, Jamil, Munga Honorable, Warrior King and many others.
As you know, I'm from David House, so David House have good rapport from a longer time with the house of Marley. So big up Raga, anyway, big up Damien, my namesake. Anyway, you don't know anything, big up the rest of them, Julian, congratulations.
Because of Bob Marley, the whole world knows reggae music. And Jamaica as well, because you know, I've traveled before and you know, I said, I'm from Jamaica, and they be like, what, Jamaica? I'ma say, Bob Marley. My boss.
I just want to say to Bob that we continue to celebrate you. You have left us a legacy of which we are very proud.
The Bob Marley birthday celebration was a part of the Reggae Month calendar. Lost in Time Festival excites ahead of second staging. The one-night festival held its official media launch at the AC Hotel earlier this week with special invited guests, artists and sponsors building momentum for the Indignation-led event. The second staging promises to outscore last year's with a studded lineup of performances from Romain Virgo, Rasai, Ruckus, Royal Blue, Janine, Savannah, Samurai and new artists Kalia and Jalil. Now, speaking with E-Prime, director of the festival, Protege, shared the reason for adding Romain Virgo and Janine to this year's lineup.
I've been a fan of his for years. We came up in the same era. He's been doing great things. Just wanted him to be a part of the show because he brings this different energy. And Janine, I haven't seen her perform in a couple of years, so I was looking forward to that. This
year's staging will be headlined by King Dig, who will be sharing set with Lila Ike and Jesse Royal.
Me, Lila and Jesse went on tour, did about 30 shows together. During that time, we just build our energy and we just do different shows, different nights. So we just say, oh, well, give them a vibes so we'll hold together.
The show is set to unfold at Palm Drive Hope Gardens later this month. Now, looks like love is in the air. Grammy-winning R&B artist Freddie Jackson is slated to perform in Jamaica. He's set to deliver the ultimate lover's paradise at the inaugural staging of Love in the Gardens this Sunday in Kingston. Now, bursting with excitement, the singer shares a message with fans as he marks his return to the island.
I will be at Hope Gardens in Kingston, Jamaica for a Valentine's Day show that you will not forget.
Speaking with E-Prime, event spokesperson Heather Cummings-Williams says the pre-Valentine's Day event will be magical.
Love in the Gardens, just think about it. You think about a garden, you think about flowers, you think about love, you think something beautiful, right? Patrons should come out to Love in the Gardens because it's going to be a very exciting evening.
Freddie Jackson is known for hits like Rock With Me Tonight and You Are My Lady. Now that's it for E-Prime this evening. I'm Amoy. Thank you for watching.